everyone, it's Giggle Pops here. I'm cooking in the kitchen with this kitchen set. So let's open it up and take a look. Take a look at what we get inside. We get this pizza, and this is pre-cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices. We've got pepperoni and chili and chicken and lots of cheese. Yum, yum, yum. I love pizza. And then we get a little fork and a spoon, as well as a tiny pizza, tiny, and a plate so we can eat our little pizza on. And then we get 2 cups, a pink one and a white one. There's a little butterfly on the bottom, and what is this at the bottom? It looks like a little sheep. That is really funky. And, oh yum, there's some sushi. Now sushi is raw fish. I think it can be pulled apart as well. We have the fish and the rice, which is the white stuff. Who likes sushi? And then for dessert, some little biscuits. Lots of cream inside. A chocolate one and a plain, like a custard cream one, with a little tiny strawberry on top. Okay, so I think we should cook our pizza in the oven, and then we can have some pizza for starters. Okay, so let's get our pizza in the oven. Look, I've got 2 chickens roasting in there as well, so we can have pizza and chicken. Here we go. Now I just need to wait for 30 minutes and our pizza is ready. The pizza is ready. Let's take the pizza out. Looks delicious. Let's cut the pizza. There we go. 1 slice of pizza. It's all falling apart. There we go, that's pizza for everybody. And I think we'll have a nice little cup of tea. And there we go. Tea and pizza. Who's ready for some dessert? I know, let's cut some cake. Oh, look at this yummy, yummy cake. Ooh, delicious. That is 1 slice, 2 slice, 3 slice. And now I have half a cake left. Let's cut it. Ready. 4 slices. There we go. 6 slices. Yummy, yummy cake. Hope you enjoyed watching. watching. Join us tomorrow for more fun and adventures with Giggle Pops.